If you like to pack a lot of cones or roll joints and you're always on the go, then the Bulldog stash bag from BlueBus Fine Tools definitely needs to be on your radar. Let's get right into it. We're gonna do an unboxing and then I'll show you how to use it. So the first thing you'll notice when you open up the box is the beautiful packaging and design that BlueBus always does inside of their boxes. Obviously we have a Bulldog in there, so that's pretty cool. So starting out, we have a product catalog of all of the BlueBus products. So you can check out those other ones on our website. Go ahead and take it out. First thing I notice is just how durable and sturdy this is. Definitely feels heavy duty, doesn't feel like a light little case. It's got the locks on there, you pop it open. Great for child safety or for thief safety. I mean, sometimes it's not kids, it's other adults that want to take your stash. So this is perfect for that. Let's open it up. The zipper also feels really sturdy, smell proof, so nothing that's in there is gonna get out. When you open it up, you can see you have 2 containers for your product. You also have a 4-piece grinder in the middle, and the cool thing about this is that it's locked in, so whenever you open it, you're not gonna have items falling out. Let's check out what's in the zipper right over here. Here's a strap where you can attach to the sides and carry it on your shoulder. And in here, you have a little tool set. Inside, you have a packer, you have a brush, and you have some clippers if you need to trim off the end of your joints or whatever it might be. In the other bag, we have a stainless steel cone loader. So those are all the items that are included in the Bulldog. Really, it has everything you need besides some papers, a lighter, and the actual herb. So without further ado, let's get into the workflow of how you would use the Bulldog out in the wild. First things first, hopefully you have it locked, so you have to unlock it. Let's go ahead and grab our tools first. Now, you'll need your favorite herb. And you're gonna wanna grind it with the included grinder. Once your herb is ground up, you're gonna go ahead and dump it into your cone loader, just like this. Now that you have your ground up herb in the cone loader, you're gonna grab your cone and you're gonna insert it into the tip of the cone loader. Now you'll take your packing tool and you can use it while tilting it down to push the herb into the cone. Once you're done filling it up, you're just gonna slide it out while pushing with the packing tool. Just like that. You can use the packing tool to really just finish packing it in. Now you have 2 options. You can either fold it down with the packing tool. Now you have a beautiful cone just like that. Or you can take the tip and pinch it and twist. When you have the little bow right there, you can take the included clippers and just trim off the end. Just like that. Now you can just grab what's left in the cone loader, just open your jar, and you can just dump it right back in. And there you have it. Now you can just put everything away in their bags, put everything back in its place. It's not gonna go anywhere. And make sure you lock it, that way no kids or any moochers get in your stash. There you have it. It really is that simple to just pack or roll any joints that you want, and you have everything you need in this one little lockable case. So if you have any questions about the Bulldog from BlueBus Fine Tools, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you want to check out any of the other products that BlueBus has to offer, go ahead and check them out at bluebusft.com. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.